This red tea fixed my blood pressure, then did even more. The red flower they called karkadeh in Egypt was more than just a cooling drink. It helped people survive sweltering heat, soothe their digestion, and calm their heartbeat. For centuries, it was just tradition. Today, science is finally catching up. Hibiscus tea is now one of the most studied herbal infusions, and what it does to the body is not just folklore. Let us break it down. Here are the benefits, backed by real studies. Number 1. Blood pressure support. One of the most consistent findings is that hibiscus tea helps reduce blood pressure. Studies show it can lower both systolic and diastolic numbers in people with mild hypertension. The effect is thought to come from natural compounds that help blood vessels relax. No synthetic drugs, just a flower. Number 2. Liver fat reduction. In one clinical study, overweight people who took hibiscus extract had reduced fat in their liver after 12 weeks. This matters because non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is one of the fastest growing conditions worldwide. Hibiscus may help reverse early-stage fat buildup. 3. Antioxidant protection. Hibiscus contains powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C. These help fight oxidative stress, which contributes to aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. Animal studies and some human trials confirm these effects. Number 4. Blood fat management. In people with diabetes and metabolic syndrome, hibiscus tea helped lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Some even saw a rise in HDL, the good cholesterol. This is crucial for heart disease prevention. Number 5. Blood sugar control. Though still in early stages, research suggests hibiscus may help lower fasting blood glucose. It may slow down carbohydrate absorption by inhibiting enzymes like amylase, useful for people managing type 2 diabetes. Number 6. Supports weight management. In a 12-week study, people taking hibiscus extract saw reductions in weight, BMI, and body fat. Researchers believe it may influence metabolism and limit fat storage. Combined with diet and activity, it may give weight loss efforts a helpful nudge. 7. May slow cancer cell growth. Test tube studies show hibiscus extract can slow the growth of certain cancer cells, including mouth, prostate, and breast. It also made them less aggressive. These are not human studies, but they show promising potential for future research. 8. Antibacterial activity. Hibiscus has been shown in lab tests to fight off bacteria, including E. coli and staph. In one study, it was nearly as effective as some antibiotics. That does not mean you should replace your meds, but it could be a natural immune booster. 9. Digestive support. Traditionally, hibiscus tea was used to ease bloating and constipation. Modern studies suggest it works by acting as a mild diuretic and supporting bile flow. This helps break down fats and supports gut health. 10. May ease inflammation. Some compounds in hibiscus have been linked to lower inflammation markers in animal studies. Less inflammation means better recovery, lower pain, and reduced risk of chronic illness. Now, a quick note about safety. Hibiscus tea is safe for most people when consumed in moderation, but there are a few cautions. If you are on medication for blood pressure or blood sugar, speak with your doctor. Hibiscus can make those meds work too well, leading to low pressure or glucose. Pregnant or breastfeeding, there is not enough solid data to confirm safety. Some animal studies suggest hormonal effects at high doses. And if you are allergic to okra or cotton, be cautious. Hibiscus is in the same plant family. Rare, but worth knowing. Very high doses of hibiscus extract, far more than a typical cup of tea, have been linked to liver stress in isolated cases. Stick with 1 to 2 cups a day. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, here is how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water. Add 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Drink hot or cold. Add mint, lime, or a bit of honey if the taste is too tart. Hibiscus has a natural cranberry-like flavor. That sour kick is part of what makes it so effective. And unlike other so-called health drinks, it is affordable. No need for pills or powders, no detox fads. Just a flower in a cup. You get antioxidants, you get liver support, you get help for blood pressure, blood sugar, and digestion, and you get it for the price of a tea bag. Let us recap. 10 real benefits. Proven in labs, some confirmed in humans. Accessible. Safe for most. Rooted in tradition. Validated by science. You will not find many herbs that check all those boxes. Watch the next video for more of Nana's natural cures.